In the previous video we saw how to create a form with Google Forms. In this tutorial, we'll see how to divide this form into sections, each with its own page. We also create logic to determine who sees which sections based on their answers to the previous questions. We will divide the form into 3 sections. A respondent identification section, a second section to assess the respondent's knowledge, a third section for notes. To create a section in your form, click the bottom button in the floating right panel. A new section will appear below the current section. Click this button again to add a third section. You can give this section a name and a subheading and add as many questions as you want. Name this section Notes. Drag the comments question to this section. Name the second section Technical Questions. Drag the 2 questions, which programming language do you use, and your favorite programming language, to this section. All 3 sections are ready. Now, click on Preview to see the new organization of the form into sections. You can set up a survey so that users see certain sections only based on their responses. The easiest way is to create a multiple-choice question and then set up rules for the answers. To do this, add a new section called Overview. Add in this section the multiple-choice question, do you use programming languages? Click on More. Then, Move Section. Move this section just after Section 1. Save. To the right of the multiple-choice question, click on More. Then, click on Go to Section based on Answer. If the user chooses Yes, then he will be directed to Section 3, Technical Questions. If the user chooses No, then he goes directly to Section 4 without going through the third section. Click on Required. Click on Preview to see the final result.